Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Let's get another happy surprise. Why do I care about that part? Let's see what's inside. Ooh. Yeah, I always have this. This is a loser unboxing. I think this package is pretty good. Yeah. Shall we take a close look? Oh, look at it. Wow. Oh, the reflection make it hard to distinguish what we are trying to see. Yeah, I always use it, so it's been many times. Okay, let's take a look at this one. This is a loser unboxing, and I bought it myself. Nobody pays me. And I think loser unboxing is very fun. It's very, very, very fun because you spend hours just lingering online and search for something. Yeah, there must be a lot of people say this is a waste of time. It's just not a smart use of time. But I'm thinking, just by watching it, it's actually quite inspiring for industrial design. So this is a phone stand. Look at it. You can pull it up. Okay, I can use this as a sample. And you can completely put it down. And it's small and tiny. And inside is heavy. Oh, let's measure it. Why not? I do cookie all the time, so I can measure it. Yeah, so I have a balance here. 0 gram, 184 gram. Now we change into we change into pound, and I think this is 180. It's about 8 ounces or something. 180, 5 or 6 ounce. Look at me, 6.7 ounce. Did you see it? 7.7 ounce. Anyway, oh, okay, do it again. So it's 6.4 ounce. I am good math teacher, of course. And 182 gram. And it's not heavy, but it's not light. I have a plastic one I bought from a store, and it's so light that you do not even feel safe. Okay, we lift it up and turn it here so we can put our phone here. And let's see, because my phone, what I am using right now, has a quite thick protection. Oh, not so thick. This is a little bit too much. I think I am halfway. Let's see. I am about this one. Yeah, I can put it. Yeah, this length. No phone is so thick, right? Yeah, even this I can put it. Oh, this is good. And this is non-slippery. And the pink is less expensive. There are other colors. Purple color, oh, so beautiful. But with $1 difference, I decide to choose this one, not too expensive. Oh, I cannot take it out. Can pull it, put it back. And I was thinking this way, what is for this? First, it is easy to carry. Of course, you can carry this way. But mostly, if you have some string or something on the back, it actually goes through. And here, you can put your cell phone charger. It's a very good design. I love it. How beautiful. And this is non-slippery. All is good. This is a loser unboxing. I am very excited. Look at the material. These are quite beautiful pink rose gold color. Oh, I love it. Yeah, I love this kind of loser unboxing. Okay, put it back in. Jing. Jing, jing, done. Put into pearls. That's such a beautiful industrial design. Oh, I love it. Bye-bye, friends. Just want to share with you this little teeny tiny little bit of joy of a good industrial design.